My name is Jatin. Today we are going to make it Lord Krishna with the lines and the shapes. Take your pencil, take your colors. Now we are going to draw one U shape starting from this point, ending to this point. One curve, one more curve, one more curve, one more curve, and a circle at the center. One curve as a nose, one curve upside, and one small curve as a lips. One curve and touch to the chin part. Same thing here. From the eye corner to the nose corner. Again from the eye corner to the nose corner. Ears. Small earrings. One turban on the head by making curves. One circle for the displaying of a peacock feather. Fill center with a dark tone. One standing line straight, one more standing line straight for the neck. One necklace at the neck. One wave line going towards downside. Again one curve, again wave line going towards downside. Again turn. This is a garland where Sri Krishna is wearing on her neck. Again wave line going downside. Again curve, again wave line going downside, and a wave line giving a curve. This is a garland. One slanting line for the shoulder, one slanting line for the another shoulder, one slanting line going towards outside, downside, again one slanting line going towards downside and little bit outside for showing the arms, again one more slanting line, again one more slanting line going towards downside, again one more slanting line going towards downside, again one more slanting line going towards upside, again attached to the corner point and one slanting line going towards upside, one small curve for showing the thumb, one curve for the showing the palm of the hand. This is the hand where Lord Krishna is specifying something. Again one small curve for the wrist, again small curve from the wrist. Now one curve passing through the garland, one curve, two curve towards down. Now I want to show a small sparrow on the hand, one slanting line, one curve line, again one curve line, and one slant and two slanting lines. That is a tail of the sparrow. This is a beak and this is an eye, and sparrow is sitting on the hand of Lord Krishna. Now I want to make it butterflies beside Lord Krishna. These are the butterflies flying near to Lord Krishna. Now few ornaments. Again one at a hand scarf. Again one more. Again one small tilak at the center of the forehead. Now I am going to fill my color inside. I am going to take it red color at the outer portion. I am going in a standing manner and a curve. You also go in a curve. I want to show a sun sign back of the Lord Krishna. Same thing here. Do it lightly so texture can mix up easily well. Now I am going to orange color, merging towards red, little bit inside the red, so you can get it a sunny effect at the backdrop. Same thing here. Slowly you can go in red color too. Here I filled red and orange color. Now going towards yellow. Take it your yellow color. If you got a deep yellow color, you can use it your deep yellow color. I got a lemon yellow color. I am going to use my lemon yellow color. Even also first you can go to orange to mix up the shades. Now I am going back of the Lord Krishna for showing the shiny effect of the sun. Even also you can go towards orange and red so color can get merged. Little bit orange color so color will be merged. Very light orange color. Same thing here. Now sky blue in body, because Lord Krishna is found, he is born at a midnight, so it is a belief that he is found in a blue color. Do not go in garland and ornaments. Slowly go in the body parts. Here my body parts are ready. Slowly, now I am going to make it garland by using light green color, orange color and yellow color. Some orange color by giving a distance. Now few light green colors in middle and merging at the center with a yellow color. both the colors. Here a garland is ready. Now I am going to make it dhoti with a red color. Downside portion cover with red color. Here dhoti is ready. Now a few yellow colored ornaments. Now orange color in the turban. Now yellow color at the circle center point. Light green in the flow of peacock feather. Sky blue at the center. Now light brown color in a sparrow. Here a Lord Krishna is ready. You can show the stems at the center. I am showing this as a forest area. Here my Lord Krishna is ready.